Good morning. Hello. So today let us see about the subject physics. Now let us talk in detail about physics. In total there are 19 units with respect to NEET or JEE. Chapter wise there are 30 chapters, but unit wise there are 19 units. Now let us first consider about the 11th standard curriculum. Yesterday we had seen, or in our previous video we had seen, that mechanics and electronics, electrostatics or electrical and magnetism, these are the two major sections on which maximum numbers of questions are asked. So let us see about mechanics. That is the first part. Now there is one general chapter which is called as physical world and measurement. At least one MCQ is asked for this particular section. There are 4 parts in this section. So we have to complete all these 4 parts in detail with minimum 20-25 questions of each part, that is 100 MCQs for this chapter. The second section is, or second unit is kinematics. Now kinematics basically covers 3 chapters. The first one is motion in a straight line and motion in a plane. Second part is projectile motion and the third part is circular motion. Now for those students who are appearing for or those who are studying CBSE section, they have got this as a one chapter. Circular motion, projectile motion. Actually circular motion is also divided into work, power, energy. Some part application of circular motion is in work, power, energy, and some part is in plane or two-dimensional motion as they call it. One-dimensional motion, two-dimensional motion. Motion in a straight line or motion in a plane. One-dimensional, two-dimensional. So this is one part. Second part is projectile motion and third part is circular motion and its applications. So chapter wise if you consider, these become 4 chapters. Then is rotational motion or dynamics of a rotating body and of a rigid body. So rotational motion, MHT CET based, board based, it is rotational motion. Then comes gravity. So these totally with respect to 11 mechanics. Another 2 chapters are laws of motion and work, power, energy. So now see, totally these are around 8 chapters. Physical world and measurement, motion in a straight line, motion in a plane, projectile motion, circular motion, rotational motion, gravitation. So this becomes 6. Then laws of motion and work, power, energy. So 8 chapters. These 8 chapters, around 12 to 13 questions do appear for NEET and around 8 questions in JEE mains. Number of chapters are 30, questions are 30. So one question per chapter. Now I am talking in generally. Now 20 questions, 25 questions, 5 analytical. We will go to it in detail after I complete, because I have to talk about physics for everybody. CET, NEET, JEE mains. So 8 chapters, 12 questions or 8 questions, which means one question minimum. Out of these chapters, which are more important, gravitation and rotational motion. These 2 chapters are very important because sometimes gravitation 2 or 3 questions are asked, rotational motion 2 or 3 questions are asked. Then comes properties of bulk matter. Here also we can consider it in parts. One is viscosity, another one is friction, third one is fluid mechanics, and then is surface tension. So again 4 parts. These constitute around 3 questions for JEE main, 5 questions for NEET. With respect to CET, friction and viscosity, they appear in 11th standard, and surface tension and elasticity, they appear in 12th standard. So 4 chapters, around 5 questions. So this is another part. And the last part is behavior of gases, kinetic theory and thermodynamics. These constitute around 5 to 6 questions. So 12 questions, 5 questions and 5 questions. So these constitute 22 questions for NEET. If you see chapter wise 8 and 4 and 3, 15 chapters, 15 questions for JEE Mains. Same case with CET, there are 50 questions. If you see the chapter basis, each chapter 2 questions. So 15 questions, around 25 to 28 questions for paper 1. Now paper 2, electrostatics and mechanics and magnetism. Now it has, the name of the chapter is different, but we will talk about electrostatics. Then one is static charges, one is current electricity, then is magnetic effect of electric current, then is magnetism, then is EMI, electromagnetic induction, then is alternating current and circuits, and the last one is electromagnetic waves. So again 8 chapters. So 8 chapters of mechanics, 8 chapters of electrostatics and magnetism. Now, if you cover these 16 chapters out of 30 chapters in the first part of your 11th standard of this 2-year course, major part you cover in the first year. No, it is not taught, it is not done. Now most of the students are online, so they can study those parts. And be sure that, as I told you, each chapter minimum 100 questions, different 100 questions, not which are given behind the book or behind. You can join us. We have a hell different type of questions and analytical questions also. Then concept based questions, application based questions. So you have to be prepared with all type of questions. Now these 16 chapters, minimum 100, maximum 150. We will consider 120 questions per chapter. So how many questions you solve in this way? Around 2000 MCQs you solve. Then you should go for a paper. Never, I would suggest that you don't ever go for one chapter test. If you, initially it is okay, you are giving a one chapter test on physical world and measurement. When you do the second chapter, give a 2 chapter test, give a 3 chapter test, give a 4 chapter test, so that your old chapters, they get revised automatically. Excuse me. The more you revise, the more it gets fixed into your brain. अगर हम ऐसे बोलते हैं, अगर आप नींद से भी उठे तो भी आपको उसके फॉर्मूले याद रहते हैं, बार बार उसे करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. You save time. For JEE Main or CET or NEET, if you are having classes for 3 hours, then 3 hours self-study every day is sufficient to score around 97, 98, 99 percentile, depending upon the depending upon your capacity and depending upon your intelligence. But 97 percentile is definite, but it should be daily. Remember the words, it should be daily. आज नहीं हुआ, कल 6 घंटा काम करेंगे, ऐसे नहीं होगा. It should be 3.5 hours daily. In detail, we'll go about these chapters further in our next video. Thank you.